Hello students, now I am going to explain you the division of northern plain on the basis of its relief features. The northern plain has been described as a flat land having no variation in its relief, but it is not true because it has a diverse feature which divided into four parts. In the beginning of this topic, topic means northern plain. I was explaining you that Himalayan rivers have a long course from their sources. Like here is suppose Indus source, it moves in this way. Then here this is the source of Ganga. This is the source of Satluj. Then other its tributaries. Then we see that your Brahmaputra. So then here Gomti, Ghagra, Kosi, all these are the Himalayan rivers and their sources are Himalaya. So their sources to the mouth or sea. Mouth means जहाँ पर नदी समुद्र से मिलती है उसे हम उसका माउथ कहते हैं. So this whole course divided into three parts. This one is upper course, here middle, and this is lower course. So when the rivers flows in upper course or in mountainous region, the rivers always perform erosional activities. And when the rivers flows in this middle course and lower course, the rivers perform depositional activities. So this northern plain has been formed by erosional and depositional activities of river. So this whole northern plain, this whole northern plain is divided into four parts on the basis of soil particles as well as on the basis of region. So on the basis of region, this one Rajasthan, then Punjab plain, then Gangetic plain, and here is Brahmaputra plain. So this division is divided on the basis of region. Now I am going to explain you the division of the northern plain on the basis of soil particles. I have already told you that the rivers perform erosional activities in the upper course. And the river erodes up to Shivalik, which is the foothills of Himalaya. So this is the Himalaya and this one is foothills of Himalaya that we call Shivalik. And here in this whole region, the rivers perform erosional activities due to its high speed. Now the question arises, where will river deposit first? आखिर नदियाँ जो है या नदी जो है सबसे पहले वो सेडिमेंट्स को कहाँ डिपॉजिट करती है? So it deposits, so the river deposits first just south of Shivalik. So this one the south of Shivalik and this one the north of Shivalik. So in the south of Shivalik, here is Bhabhar region. This is called Bhabhar region. This is the first part of northern plain. Now the river has large particles as well as small particles. So when the speed slows down, first of all it deposits the large and huge particles in this Bhabhar region. इस Bhabhar region में बड़े और बहुत अधिक संख्या में जो सॉइल पार्टिकल्स हैं वो यहाँ पर इकट्ठा करती जाती हैं. अब ये सॉइल जो पार्टिकल्स हैं ये इस तरह से हैं, ऐसे हैं. तो ड्यू टू लार्ज एंड ह्यूज नंबर ऑफ सॉइल पार्टिकल्स, what we observe here that the porous आर ऑल्सो हाई। इसके बीच में जो स्पेस है, जो ये स्पेस है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है। सो इन दिस वे द पोरोसिटी इज हाई। नाउ व्हाट इज पोरोसिटी? A porosity is the quality of being porous or full of the tiny holes that water or air can get through. Or in other words, we can say that it is a measure of the empty spaces in a material. ये खाली जगह जो है, ये सारी जगह। And the porosity of Bhabar is the most unique feature because it is because due to this porosity, streams disappear when the river reaches in the Bhabar region only due to the porosity. जो नदियाँ हैं जब यहाँ पर आती हैं तो यहाँ पे नदियाँ डिसअपियर हो जाती हैं, क्योंकि खाली जगह की वजह से ये नदी नीचे की तरफ चली जाती है और ये ऊपर जो पेबल्स हैं वो ऊपर रह जाते हैं। एंड वाटर रिटेंशन कैपेसिटी इज़ लो हेयर। जो वाटर रिटेंशन कैपेसिटी है, जो वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी है, वो बहुत ही लो है। सो इन दिस वे दिस भाबर इज़ 8 to 16 kilometer wide belt that forms a pebble bed which are parallel to the slope of the river bed. ये पेबल जो है नदी के तल और इसका जो पेबल का जो बेड है, तल है, वो बिल्कुल एक दूसरे के पैरेलल में यहाँ रहता है। एंड दिस बेल्ट कवर फुट ऑफ शिवालिक्स फ्रॉम द इंडस रिवर टू Tista river. And the next one we have to see the Tarai. This is a Tarai region. Now after depositing a large size of particles, the river started depositing the small size of particles in the south of Bhavar, that is called Tarai. Now small particles just in this way. जो बहुत छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स हैं जिसमें जो पोरस होते हैं वो बहुत ही छोटे होते हैं। दैट्स वाई पोरोसिटी इज़ लो एंड वाटर रिटेंशन कैपेसिटी और वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी इज़ वेरी हाई. That's why we see here the rivers, those who disappear in Bhabar region, they became reappear in Tarai region. जो नदियाँ यहाँ पर नीचे चली जाती हैं या दिखाई नहीं देती हैं, वो यहाँ पर उभर कर आ जाती हैं, नज़र आने लगती हैं, and create a wet or swampy and marshy region which we called a Tarai. Now this region was thickly forested with a lot of wildlife, but now most of the forests have been cleared for agriculture and settled migrants from Pakistan after independence, and one of the national park of our country also lies here, that is a Dudhwa National Park. Now comes to the next one. The next parts of northern plain are Bhangar and Khadar. Now these Bhangar and Khadar are the two types of alluvial soil. I have already explained you that the northern plains are very rich in alluvial soil, and these alluvial soil formed by the alluvium which brought by rivers from Himalaya. हिमालय से लेके नदियाँ यहाँ पर आती है. So this is a river valley. और जब नदी यहाँ पहुँचती है तो it started depositing the sediments or alluvium which change into alluvial soil. So the alluvial soil divided into two parts. The one is Bhangar and the another is Khadar. Now Bhangar alluvial soil formed और फाउंड अवे फ्रॉम द रिवर, जो रिवर से बहुत दूर पाए जाते हैं भांगर सॉइल, एंड खादर सॉइल फाउंड नियर द रिवर. जो खादर है वो नदी के एकदम करीब है. एंड दिस इज़ अ न्यू सॉइल new alluvial soil, and Bhangar is old alluvial soil. The Khadar soil is more finer and more sandy, but the Bhangar is less finer and it contains lot of kankar. But in Khadar there is no kankar; it is totally free from kankar. That's why Khadar is more fertile than the Bhangar. So in this way, these are the four parts of northern plain, which classified on the basis of soil particles. First is Bhabar, second is Tarai, third is Bhangar, and the fourth one is Khadar.